Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be talking about SEI. Before I do so, please take a second to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and come and join the chat if you haven't already. So let's get to it. Let me fix that chart really quick. Here we go. So SEI, this been the talk of pretty much Twitter. Everywhere I go on Twitter, everybody that I almost follow is talking about this stock that just went, what is it at? 800% at this point. You gotta make attention or pay attention to some things in the market. Just because the company is a piece of shit, excuse my language, does not mean the stock can't go up. In fact, if the stock is heavily shorted, and heavily shorted, that means a lot of people are shorting the stock, thinking this thing is going to go to zero or get delisted or whatnot. Once it starts breaking the highs where the stops are, it will start triggering those shorts to cover, and to cover a short position you need to buy the position back. That means they're participating into that breakout, and plus you have people that they're picking bottoms and they want to buy that breakout off of this bottom. Now you have more people are generating more buying at those levels where they're going to keep squeezing or keep moving the stock higher. And you can see here, as soon as it started holding, the stock started getting momentum and then started breaking. And as it's going higher, it's picking up momentum as people want to participate in this 800% mover, right? But we know this stock is BS, right? This stock was a 7 million a share, which it wasn't. It's just the fact that they keep diluting their share count. So the company wants money, it goes and sells money to an investor on paper, and then as soon as the stock pops, that investor will start selling its shares at a higher value. So you can see this thing has just been beat down all the way down. So now let's talk about the action today, right? We had a gap up. Everybody is thinking about this thing is a short, and everybody wants to short this. Now, I always say this in my videos, just wait for your setup, wait for your entry. And if you can't wait for your entry, you're gonna get ran over. So just because the stock today gapped up, for example, here we have the small gap. It's not actually small, it's about 8%, but just the fact that the stock is in the 280s, $3 mark. Just because it gapped up, you're thinking now it's extended, right? But no, think about, again, it's the same analogy. The shorts that popped here, once it cracks the high, is going to squeeze more until the longs get stuffed. Think of it this way. It's a really good short setup if the longs are stuck, and if it's a really good long setup if the shorts are stuck. So it's vice versa, right? So here you can see the lows, you can see accumulation, everybody's piling in, and then it comes back up and everybody gets squeezed. It's the same thing with this, where the longs here just bought the breakout, right? Longs just bought the breakout and everybody is selling their position. That's when you get the biggest sell-off. Again and again, thinking about, what was I shorting today? GPR. So GPR, it's the same exact concept again, right? When you see the breakout and the breakout stuffs, and obviously I have multiple catalysts here, but the point is to show you that it's a really good short setup when the longs are trapped. It's a really good long setup when the shorts are trapped. How many times do you see a stock that gaps down, ends up moving higher after it's sold off? Because a lot of people thinking just because it gapped down, they will go short. What ends up happening is the stock reverses and then squeezes everybody, right? So this is a quick lesson. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to talk about a specific topic, and We get it from there. Join the chat. Wink, wink again. Peace.